Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and the first actionable steps. Install Python 3. 10 or newer, then run pip install OpenAI Whisper. Once done, confirm Python version and pip list to ensure Whisper is available. Make sure your audio files are ready. Prefer mono, 16K 48K sample rate, and common formats like MP3 or WAV. Now place a test audio in the working folder and open a terminal. This initiates the process, so you can run your first transcription command immediately. You now execute and refine the middle steps that handle complexity. Run Whisper with a command like Whisper input. WAV model medium task transcribe language N to create a baseline transcript. Choose model size deliberately because tiny is fast but less accurate, while large improves accuracy at cost of time. Once the initial file is generated, convert to SRT or VTT using output format and inspect timestamps. If punctuation or casing needs work, enable verbose logging and consider a post-process pass with simple rejects or an external text editor for quick cleanup. You finish by finalizing outputs and applying a key troubleshooting tip. Export final files to your chosen format and move them to the intended folder. If quality issues persist, normalize audio levels and resample to 16K. Poor input causes most errors. For large batches, run Whisper *. WAV model small output dir. /out to process multiple files. Make sure to check your CPU versus GPU resources. Install Torch with CUDA support when available to dramatically speed up transcription. That single hardware check often resolves slow or failed runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.